Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log out of Candy Crush Saga. So in order to log out of Candy Crush Saga, open up your Candy Crush Saga application, and once you're in this main map page, tap the gear button at the top right corner. Now from the settings menu, tap on Account and Help and click on My Account on the next page. You will see this option available on the screen where you can find the logout button. Simply tap on that and click on Log Out in order to log out of Candy Crush Saga. Now, whichever login options that you've chosen, you can simply log out using these steps. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.